Your phone stops working. Not the app, not the network, everything. No GPS, no internet, no signal. And it didn't happen because of a cyber attack. It didn't happen because of a war. It happened because the sun had a bad day.
Scientists have been warning about this for years.
A solar storm powerful enough to collapse GPS networks, fry satellites, and knock out internet infrastructure globally in under 24 hours. Not science fiction, not a worst-case scenario buried in a report. An event that has already happened. And the next one? According to the data, we are overdue. The only question isn't if, it's whether we'll have enough warning to do anything about it. Quick breakdown. Stay with me. The sun isn't just a ball of gas. It's a violent magnetic engine. And sometimes, it erupts. Solar flares, coronal mass ejections, massive bursts of plasma moving at millions of kilometers per hour. Most of them miss Earth, but when one hits, it doesn't explode, it doesn't shock the ground. It does something far more precise. It attacks infrastructure from the inside, through magnetism, through electrical currents, in every wire, every cable, every transformer. And by the time you notice, it's already done. We assume our systems are protected. Firewalls, backups, redundancy. But those systems are built for threats we understand. A solar storm doesn't hack you. It doesn't need access. It doesn't need permission. It just overwhelms the physics your grid is built on. And most power systems on Earth were never designed to survive that. That's not theory. That's what engineers say when they're being honest. In 1989, a solar storm hit Quebec. The entire power grid collapsed in 92 seconds. 6 million people lost power. Transformers failed. 92 seconds. Now consider this. In 2012, a massive solar eruption left the sun. It missed Earth by 9 days. 9 days. NASA estimated, if it hit, $20 trillion in damage. Recovery time? 4 to 10 years. Not months, years. Here's what fails first. GPS satellites. Gone. Navigation? Offline, globally. Then radio communication. Aircraft lose contact. Then power grid transformers, the critical ones, custom built, slow to replace. Then the internet backbone, not the cables, the systems keeping them alive. And here's the problem. You don't need to destroy everything, just enough. September 1st, 1859. An astronomer sees a flash on the sun. Hours later, Earth gets hit. The Carrington event. Telegraph systems catch fire, operators get shocked. Some lines continue transmitting without power. The sky lights up. Auroras visible near the equator. That was 1859. Now imagine that same storm hitting today. It's 11:47 p.m. Your phone is charging. The city is quiet. Then the lights flicker. Not off, just unstable. Your signal disappears. No bars, no Wi-Fi. Morning comes. Power is gone. Hospitals switch to generators. Day 3. They run out. And above you, The sun is still pushing.
First 6 hours, GPS fails. Air traffic goes blind. Markets freeze. Within 24 hours, power grids collapse. Within days, the internet goes dark. Food spoils, water systems fail, fuel stops. And supply chains? They don't restart. Because everything depends on power. And power depends on systems that take months to rebuild. So the real question is, what does day 30 look like?
We get 15 minutes of warning. That's it. You can't shut down a grid in 15 minutes. You can't protect satellites. You can't prepare billions of people. We've known this since 1989. So why aren't we ready? Because it hasn't happened yet. And humans are bad at preparing for what hasn't happened. To be fair, this is rare. Maybe once every few centuries. But yearly risk? Around 1%. That's similar to major natural disasters. The difference? We can't see this coming, and we can't stop it. The sun is entering peak activity. It isn't calming down, it's waking up. Everything we rely on runs on electricity, and all of it exists inside a fragile magnetic shield. That shield protects life, but it was never designed for technology. The sun doesn't target us, it doesn't choose, it just erupts. And sometimes, we're in the way. We got lucky in 2012, but luck is not a strategy. And right now, the sun is building pressure, and we don't know when it will release. So tell me, do you think we're unprepared? Or do you think the system is stronger than we believe? Drop your answer in the comments, because on this one, even the experts disagree.